Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We're about to dive into a presentation on notice writing. The title of our session is Notice Writing, and there's a subtitle I'll share shortly. Over the next few slides, we'll explore the key principles and tips for writing effective notices. I'll keep it brief but informative. Let's get started. Hope you have enjoyed the slides. I trust that you have understood the notice writing format in a glance. On this slide, we will quickly review the key points about notice writing. The main idea is to grasp the essential structure and format so you can apply it confidently. Notice writing is an important skill, especially in formal communication. We will focus on the main components such as the heading, date, salutation, body, and signature. These elements ensure your notice is clear, professional, and effective. Remember, the goal is to communicate important information succinctly and accurately. Connecting these points to our overall theme, mastering notice writing helps you develop strong communication skills. So, keep these key points in mind as we move forward. Now, please pay close attention to the next slide, which will show a sample notice. You'll notice that all the necessary instructions are clearly indicated with the help of an arrow. As I go through it, I want you to note down the same instructions in your notebook. This will help you understand how to correctly interpret and follow notices in real situations. Remember, the key here is to familiarize yourself with the format and the important details that are communicated through such notices. So stay focused, and let's move on to the next slide. Good morning, everyone. On this slide, I will guide you through the important details of the notice issued by our school's cultural committee. As you can see, the notice is signed by the secretary of the cultural committee, whose name and signature are provided for verification. The purpose of this notice is to invite participation in an upcoming event, specifically the Inter-House English Debate Competition scheduled for April 28, 2018. We are requested to finalize the names of 2 students from each house to represent their respective houses in this competition. The deadline for submitting these names is April 21, 2018, so it's important to act promptly. The notice emphasizes the role of house captains and coordinators in this process, highlighting their responsibility to select and submit the students' names. This notice also serves to inform all students and house coordinators about the event date and the purpose, encouraging participation and ensuring organized preparation. The overall goal here is to promote healthy academic and extracurricular activities, fostering a spirit of competition and collaboration among students. Remember, this notice is a formal call to action, so make sure to follow the timeline and communicate effectively with your respective houses. This is a great opportunity for students to showcase their debating skills and school spirit. All right, now it's time for an assignment that will help you practice your notice writing skills. Imagine you're in charge of your school's photography club. Your task is to write a short and clear notice, no more than 50 words, to be posted on the school notice board. The notice should invite students to submit their best photographs for the upcoming school magazine. Think about including the purpose, what kind of photos you're looking for, and how students can submit their entries. Remember, the goal is to create an engaging yet professional notice that encourages participation. This exercise ties into our overall theme of effective communication and writing skills, especially in formal contexts like notices. So, put your best foot forward and show your ability to convey important information concisely and clearly. Hope you've understood the basics of notice writing through this assignment. Thank you so much for your attention today. I truly hope you've enjoyed the slides and found the information insightful. Remember, the key takeaway is how these concepts can be applied to make a real difference in your work. It's been great sharing this journey with you, and I appreciate your engagement throughout. If you have any questions or want to discuss further, I'm here to help. Thanks again, and I hope you have a fantastic day.